Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert PDF to Canva design. So let's get started. First of all, you could open the Canva app or website and sign into your account. And from the home page, you're going to click on this create button from the left side bar and then scroll down and click on upload. Once you do so, you'll be able to see it says upload files, upload folder, or drop your content here. So I'm just going to simply drag and drop it. So this is the PDF file that I need. I'm going to drag and drop it onto this page. And now it says uploading one item. So simply wait for the item to get uploaded. Once done, you'll be able to see this open button right next to it. Simply click on open and you'll be able to see that Canva will automatically upload and convert the PDF into editable designs. So once the conversion is complete, you can edit the text, and you can also, if there is any image or let's say colors, layouts directly inside Canva, you can edit them. And after editing, you can simply click on share at the top right corner, and then you can click on download. Make sure that you have selected PDF from here. So click on PDF standard or PDF print. Once done, simply click on download and you're good to go. So that was how you can convert PDF to Canva design. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.